Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are not yet subscribed this channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. This is the HackerRank Java series, that is 30 days of code. Let's get started with the day 3. Hi guys, I am Nayas from Tecnico MDN. Today I will be explaining how to solve the day 3 challenge, that is intro to conditional statements. So let's get started. Hi guys, let's begin with the day 3 challenge, that is introduction to conditional statements. Let's go through the objective. Here they have given in this challenge we are getting started with conditional statements. As we have gone through the previous tutorial in my YouTube channel, let's begin with the challenge. The task is given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, print weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range 2 to 5, that is n must be between 2 to 5, then we have to print not weird. And if the n is in the range 6 to 20, we have to print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, then we must print not weird. And they have given that to complete the step code. Step code refers to this previously given code in your editor. So this is in the editor to print whether or not n is weird. The input format will be like this. The single line contains a positive integer. Constraints 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 100. The output format is print weird if the number is weird, otherwise print not weird. So the sample input goes like this 3, so this is weird. Since 3 is in between 2 and 5 as they have given here, so it is printed weird. That is 3 is not even, so it is weird. So similarly 24, here you can see n is even and greater than 20. It is 24, right? So it is printed to not weird. As you can see here they have provided that. So let's start with the coding. Here they have given a public class solution. Inside this they already created one final scanner. They have used this final class so that the scanner of this class may not be inherited to some other class, as we have discussed in the previous some videos. So next let's begin. The n is already inputted, so no need to take any input. This is you can just neglect this line. The scanner is also closed, so we have to type here. Our code goes like this. If, since they have taken n in capital, let us take n capital. N mod 2 equal to 1. OR operator. Here you can observe we are using OR operator, and n is greater than or equal to 6 and n is less than or equal to 20. Then we will print system.out.println. Inside this we will print weird. Okay, we have printed weird. Let me explain this to you. Let me quickly open the calculator. As you can see, let us take the example as 3. Since the output is weird, it will let's check whether it works or not here. Let the n is 3, so let's give 3. Let's take scientific calculator. 3 mod, so that is mod operator, as you can see here, and 2, so it gives 1. So this condition becomes true. And now the next condition is n is greater than 6. Yes, 3 is obviously greater than 6, so condition is true. And 3 is less than 20, so this condition become true, and this condition is also true, so it will print weird. So hope we have written the right code. So next, if the condition is false, what we have to do? Let's write that condition. Else if, let's just copy this statement and paste it here. Now the condition is false. Here we are checking for true, that is 1. Let's check for false. What should it return? According to the constraints, it must be greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2, and n must be less than or equal to 5. Okay, then let's print the statement. Let's just copy this and paste it here and type not weird. So it will be like this. Let's check in the calculator. Here the next sample output you can see, that is 24. Let's check 24 mod 2, so it is giving 12. So 12 is not equal to 0, right? So the condition become false. Since this is OR condition, we can still wait for the second condition to get true or false. The 24 is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, it is true. N is less than or equal to 5. 24 is not less than or equal to 5. So this condition is false, and this is also false. Let's check again. 24 mod 2 gives 0. So previously we have it in division, so it got wrong answer. Here you can see 24 mod 2 is 0. So this condition is true. 24 mod 2 gives 0, so this condition become true, and this condition become false. As we have discussed in the previous slide, that previous video, that in OR condition, any of the statement is true, then it will execute the statement. So it will print the not weird. Now the final thing, if both the conditions are false, what to print? So let's print that is not weird. So scanner is closed. Hope you have understood this thing. That is, if n is n mod 2 equal 1, or n is greater than or equal to 6, that is this one, 6 and 20. So this condition will display weird. And next, if condition if n mod 2 is equal to 0, and n is greater than 2 and n is less than 5, then it will print not weird. And finally, if the n is even and greater than 20, it will print not weird. So let's quickly run and check it. So you can observe it is case sensitive. We have taken small n, let's change it to n and capital N, and now let's run it. You can see we have passed the test case 0 now, and test case 1 obviously. Now let's submit the code and check the condition is true for all hidden cases. Here you can see total of 8 test cases are there from 0 to 7. So all the test cases are passed. Hope you have understood this one. Let's go back to the dashboard. I hope that this session was helpful, and I hope you understood the concept that I have used in the this session to solve the conditional statements. So thank you. Meet you all in the next video.